Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is expansion formulae. Today we will learn expansion formula 2 and practice set 5.2.
We will solve question number 6, 7 and 8. So let's begin.
Practice set 5.2. So write down sixth sum, x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. As always, first step is by using expansion formula and write the formula a plus b bracket cube equals a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Take the question down below this bracket. X plus 1 upon x bracket cube. We have taken this sum down again. X bracket cube plus 3 multiply by x square multiply by 1 upon x. B is by x, so 1 by x we have taken, plus 3 into a means x into b square means 1 upon x square plus b cube, it means 1 on x cube, as cube of 1 is 1 itself. Take this x cube as it is down, plus, now if you see here x square is there, here x is there, so we can reduce from there. X square means x into x, so 1x will go and this x will go, so you can cut this x and here x square means we have reduced 1x from up and only x is left here. 3 into x, it becomes 3x plus. Similarly from here x square is there, here x is there, we have to reduce this x and 1x from here x into x. So here at the place of numerator 3 and at the place of denominator x will remain, plus last term as it is we have to write the question again down. X plus 1 upon x bracket cube equals, this is your final answer, x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus x upon 1 upon x cube. Write down seventh sum, 2m plus 1 by 5 bracket cube. Write down by using expansion formula a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Take the question down, 2m plus 1 by 5. A means 2m, b means 1 by 5. A cube, it means we have to take cube of 2 as well as of m. We'll take 2m as it is and I will write it in bracket and I will give cube to this bracket. Then 3 into, same I will take 2m in bracket and I will take square into 1 upon 5 which is value of b, plus 3 into value of a is 2m multiply, I will take b square in bracket which is 1 upon 5 square, plus again b cube, I will take it in bracket 1 by 5 bracket cube. In this state I will take all the values as it is in the form of cube and square. We have not solved any cube or square in this step. So in the next step we will take actual value of cube of this bracket and squares of all these brackets. Now tell me what is the cube of 2? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is correct answer. And now cube of m is m cube. And now first we have to find square of 2 as well as of m. Square of 2 is 4 and square of m is m square. Therefore 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12, m square, but here 1 by 5 we have to multiply. So upon 5 will come. So this we have solved. We will give plus sign, and now 3 to the 6 and square of 1 is 1. Therefore 6m will come at the place of numerator, but square of 5 we have to take at the place of denominator. 3 to the 6m, square of 1 upon 5 is 1 upon 25, plus now cube of 1 and cube of 5 we have to take. Cube of 1 is 1 itself. Type cube of 5. Yes, Kshitij 125. Sarthak, Shraddha, Tanvi, Paran, Shweta, Harshal, Jack, Chaitrali, Sham, Tanika, Itisha, Navnidan, Purva, Samarth. The screen is going very fast. It means many are giving answer correct. 125. Take this question down. 2m plus 1 by 5 bracket cube 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m by 25 plus 1 by 125 is the expansion of this given question. Okay, write down 8 sum. 5x by y plus y by 5x bracket cube. Write down answer by using expansion formula. A plus b bracket cube equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Take the question down. 5x by y plus y by 5x equals 5x upon y whole cube plus 3 into 5x upon y bracket square into b is y upon 5x plus 3 into a is 5x upon y into, so we are taking here b square, it means y upon 5x, y upon 5x bracket square, y upon 5x whole cube. Now solve. Now I am asking you question directly. I want full solution of this bracket. 5x upon y cube. What is the answer?
Sir, 125x cube upon y cube.
Yes, correct. Okay, solve it. Cube of 5 is 125. Yes, now many are typing correct answers. 125. Cube of x is x cube upon cube of y is y cube. This is the correct answer. Plus, we have to increase, I think, 2 steps more. As we have to do here some reduction, simplest form we have to do. Therefore, write down 3 as it is. Now stop typing and pay attention. Square of 5x is 25 x square upon y. Mute your call please. Into y upon 5x as it is. This we have solved. These two terms will take it as it is down into 5x upon y into square of y is y square and square of 5x is 25x square plus cube of y is y cube, cube of 5x is 125x cube. This y and y will cancel. 25 comes in the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Here x is there, here x square is there. We will cut this x and from here x square, we will cut this 1x and only x is left. Now what things are left here? check it properly. 3 is there, 5 is there, and x is there. 5 3s are 15x, and now plus sign. Here y is there, this 1y, and from here square 1y will get cancelled and 1y is left here. Solution for these terms. And now similarly from here y is there, y square is there, we will cut this square, it means 1y is left. And again from 25 and here 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, here x and here x is left here. Now what things are left here? Up 3 is left and y is left, and down 5 and x is left. So here 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Take the question down. 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube equals, this is our final answer.
If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.